I lost an 11-year relationship over mine and hers travel schedule. So I'm very
Hmm.
cognizant of the damage that does. So why do you think we do that to ourselves?
I think when we're young, adventure is the end all and be all. And, that there's something else always over the fence and around the corner that we're chasing. And we're always looking for what's next and what's new. And the fact that somebody can put us up in the air or around the country or around the world and be able to do new things and see new things, is exciting. Hey, listen, I've traveled around the world. I've seen the pyramids. I've seen the Wailing Wall. I've been through Asia. I've been through North America, Europe. It's exciting. It's fun seeing new things. But I'll tell you something, it also takes a lot of toll. There's a big difference. And the problem is most people who you know, travel for fun. There's a big difference in traveling for work.
Yeah.
Because when you travel for work, you get on a plane, you travel to whatever city, you get in an Uber and a cab, you head to a hotel, you head to an office, you head to a business, whatever. You do the work that you do, you go back to the hotel, you go back to the airport, and you're done, and you're off to a different city. And you really don't get to see that adventure. You don't get to see the cities that you're in. There were 50 or 75 cities that I visited on a regular basis. I couldn't tell you what one from the other because all I saw was airports and hotels and conference rooms. And that's the part of that business travel world that most people never get explained. And when you're young and you're single and you don't have, a dog to feed or a plant to water or a house that you got to mow the grass and you're living off somebody else's expense account, it's a fun life. But as soon as all of a sudden there's other things that you care about in your life, that that travel for most people and a lot of people loses interest very quickly. Either that or you tend to, as you said, you end up losing the relationship.